Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Phantom Wallet for Bitcoin or Ordinals. So let's just get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is make sure that you have Phantom downloaded and installed. All you need to do is simply go ahead and click on the settings, and then on the network tab, on the active network tab, simply go ahead and turn on Bitcoin as well. Now, all you need to do is set up a Bitcoin address. So in order to go ahead and do so, use the BTC payments and native SegWits app, and then you can also simply go ahead and create a different use for ordinals and types. Taproot is BRC20 inscriptions. All you need to do now is simply go ahead and view the ordinals and BR20 your ordinals. And now all you need to do is simply go ahead and receive and inscribe. So select the correct address to receive or choose file to inscribe, and then you can view your ordinals and BRC20. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.